Welcome back to International CEO Channel, where you can learn how to manage your finances, build wealth, create businesses, and make money from anywhere in the world. In today's world, financial literacy is more important than ever. Yet, many people find themselves overwhelmed or unsure about how to manage their money effectively. Making money work for you isn't just about earning more. It's about understanding how to leverage what you have to build wealth and security for the future. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, these finance tips for beginners will help you take control of your finances and make your money work for you. Understanding your finances. Before you can start making your money work for you, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your financial situation. Take the time to assess your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Create a budget to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back or save more. Knowing where your money is going is the first step towards taking control of your finances. Setting financial goals. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to set some financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building a retirement nest egg, having specific goals will give you something to work towards and keep you motivated. Creating a budget. A budget is a powerful tool for managing your finances effectively. Start by listing all of your income sources and fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and loan payments. Then, allocate a portion of your income to savings and discretionary spending. Be sure to review and adjust your budget regularly to reflect any changes in your financial situation or goals. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are two essential components of making your money work for you. Start by building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account, such as a high-yield savings account. Once you have an emergency fund in place, focus on investing for the future. Consider opening a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, and contribute regularly to take advantage of tax benefits and employer matching contributions. Additionally, explore other investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate, depending on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Managing debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom, so it's essential to have a plan for managing and paying off debt. Start by prioritizing high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, and focus on paying it down as quickly as possible. Consider consolidating multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate to streamline your payments and save money on interest. Automating your finances. Automating your finances can help you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid missed payments or late fees. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts each month, and schedule automatic bill payments to ensure that you never miss a due date. By automating your finances, you can take the guesswork out of money management and focus on other aspects of your life. Educating yourself. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, so take the time to educate yourself about personal finance topics. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend workshops or seminars to expand your knowledge and stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the financial world. The more you know about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and build wealth over time. Seeking professional advice. If you're unsure about how to manage your finances or achieve your financial goals, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized financial plan based on your unique circumstances and objectives. They can provide guidance on investment strategies, retirement planning, tax optimization, and more, helping you make the most of your money and achieve financial success. Understanding your financial situation. The first step in making money work for you is understanding your current financial situation. This involves taking stock of your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Create a budget to track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back or save money. Knowing where your money is going is the foundation for making informed financial decisions. Setting financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is key to making money work for you. Whether your goal is to buy a house, pay off debt, or save for retirement, having specific, measurable objectives will keep you focused and motivated. Break down your goals into short-term, medium-term, and long-term targets, and develop a plan to achieve them. Building an emergency fund. One of the first steps towards financial security is building an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This fund will provide a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or a sudden loss of income, allowing you to avoid going into debt or dipping into long-term savings. Managing debt wisely. Debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving financial freedom, so it's essential to manage it wisely. Start by paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, as quickly as possible. Consider consolidating or refinancing loans to lower interest rates and reduce monthly payments. Avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary, and always borrow responsibly. Investing for the future. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Begin by educating yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop an investment strategy tailored to your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Start investing early to take advantage of compounding returns and maximize your long-term growth potential. Diversifying your portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk and maximizing returns in your investment portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions to minimize the impact of market fluctuations. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Saving for retirement. Saving for retirement should be a top priority for everyone, regardless of age or income level. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401ks or IRAs, and contribute as much as you can afford. If your employer offers matching contributions, be sure to contribute enough to maximize this benefit. Automate your contributions to ensure consistent saving and take advantage of tax-deferred growth opportunities. Continuing financial education. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, so commit to continually educating yourself about personal finance topics. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial news sources to stay informed about economic trends, investment strategies, and money management techniques. Surround yourself with knowledgeable and experienced mentors who can provide guidance and support along the way. Making money work for you isn't just about earning more. It's about understanding how to manage and leverage your finances effectively to achieve your goals and build a secure future. By following these finance tips for beginners, you can take control of your finances, make smart decisions with your money, and ultimately create the life you desire. Remember, financial success is within reach. No matter where you are on your journey, it's just a matter of taking the first step and committing to your financial well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on International SEO. See you next time.